How to make a man think of you all the time. Ladies, are you ready to unlock the secrets that will make a man think of you all the time? Welcome to our channel, where we reveal the hidden gems that 99% of women don't know. Today, we're unveiling the key to capturing a man's mind and keeping it occupied with thoughts of you. Get ready to dive into the secrets that will make you unforgettable. Imagine being the protagonist of a captivating story, etching yourself into a man's thoughts, day and night. What if we told you there are secrets, just like spells from a magical book, that can make a man think of you incessantly? Today, we're revealing these secrets, backed by real-life examples and analogies, to help you become an enchanting presence in his mind. So, let's begin. Number 1. Be the brightest star in his constellation. First secret, ladies, and it's a cosmic one. Imagine being the brightest star in a man's constellation, the one he looks up to amidst the vastness of the universe. To capture a man's thoughts, you need to shine with your unique qualities. Embrace your passions, pursue your dreams, and let your light guide him towards you. Remember, when you're the brightest star, he can't help but think of you. Number 2. Create unforgettable moments. Did you know that memories are like imprints on a man's heart? To make him think of you, create unforgettable moments together. Imagine each moment as a brush stroke on a canvas, painting a beautiful picture of your connection. Whether it's a spontaneous adventure or a heartfelt conversation, these memories will stay etched in his mind, making you a constant presence in his thoughts. Number 3. Unleash your inner mystery. The allure of mystery. Just like a tantalizing puzzle, men are drawn to the enigmatic. To make a man think of you, embrace your inner mystery. Imagine yourself as a book with hidden chapters waiting to be explored. When you leave him intrigued and wanting to know more, he'll find himself constantly pondering your essence, unraveling the layers that make you fascinating. Number 4. Ignite his imagination. Ladies, did you know that imagination is the playground of the mind? To make a man think of you, spark his imagination. Imagine you're a skilled storyteller, weaving tales that captivate his thoughts. Engage in conversations that ignite his curiosity, paint vivid pictures with your words, and leave him yearning for more. When you stimulate his imagination, you become an irresistible presence in his mental landscape. Number 5. Be supportive of his passions. Now, let's dive into the power of support. Just like a gentle breeze beneath his wings, supporting a man's passions will make him think of you with gratitude. Imagine you're his biggest cheerleader, encouraging him to chase his dreams. When you genuinely show interest in his passions and stand by his side, he'll associate you with inspiration and support, keeping you in his thoughts. Number 6. Nourish his soul with kindness. Kindness is like a soothing balm for the soul. To make a man think of you, nourish his spirit with your kindness. Imagine you're a gentle rain that quenches his emotional thirst. Show empathy, compassion, and thoughtfulness in your actions. When you touch his heart with kindness, he'll carry your memory within him, making you a constant presence in his thoughts. Number 7. Maintain your independence. Ladies, independence is the key to unlocking a man's admiration. To make him think of you, maintain your own sense of self. Imagine you're a majestic eagle soaring through the sky, with your own dreams and aspirations. When you nurture your independence, you become a woman of substance, leaving an indelible mark in his thoughts. Congratulations, ladies! You've uncovered the secrets that will make a man think of you all the time. Remember, it's about being the brightest star, creating unforgettable moments, embracing mystery, igniting imagination, supporting his passions, nourishing his soul with kindness, maintaining independence, fostering meaningful communication, embracing your uniqueness, showing genuine interest, embodying confidence and self-love, being present and engaged, and leaving him wanting more. If you found these secrets valuable, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more empowering content that will help you navigate the intricacies of relationships. Hit that subscribe button, and let's embark on this journey together. Remember, you have the power to capture a man's thoughts and create an unforgettable connection.